Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a PDF on Samsung phones. So here I have a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, but it's the same also for other models. And I will go to gallery, and here I have some documents and photos. I will go to the first one, and this is a GPG file, and to make PDF from it, just tap here on these three dots, and now tap on print. And here we have a yellow circle, and it's written PDF. We have a download arrow. Tap on it, and now just select the folder where you want to save. I will select documents, and then just tap done, and that's all. And now I will go to photo, and this is again a GPG file, and it's the same. Tap on these three dots, tap on print, tap here on this yellow circle, select the folder, documents, tap done, and that's all. Now I will go on my phone to my files, and here tap on documents, and here are the photo and the page, and as you can see are saved as a PDF. And now just select with what to open. You can select Drive or Samsung Notes, and I will tap just once, and this is the photo saved as a PDF, and here is the first page, and also saved as a PDF. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.